Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The connection was slightly not good. That's why I stopped. I'm coming live again. Just see what a beautiful morning, and village. I am remembered. I am just recollecting my Kashmir village road. Beautiful, excellent. So, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to talk about this today, 7th May 2017, a very important day. It is the election, French election today, and a very tough fight between Macron and Pen. Macron and Pen. You may be interested. You may be thinking that why on earth I'm talking about the love story of Macron and Brigitte. So while the election fever is for the French elections, but there is a thought, there is something to discuss, to evaluate, and dig deeper and understand what is this phenomenon who has suddenly come like Kejriwal and in France known as Macron. Let's try to understand. Let's try to, ladies and gentlemen, try to understand Macron. As I told you, that every day, maybe Saturday or Sunday, whenever I get time, I'll be coming live. I will talking to you with some good ideas, with some good practices, giving my feelings, my thoughts, and you will have the complete liberty to just comment on it, but in the good sense, in the positive sense, because positivity has to be there. And in the morning, I'll be going with you, taking you to different places, being near the nature, and of course being the that fitness first. So we will be having a very beautiful view of the this beautiful view. 7th of May 2017, the French elections